Need pipe leak detection and repair in Edmonton? Ignoring a small leak can lead to serious water damage, costly repairs, and rising utility bills. At Kingstree Plumbing, we use advanced leak detection technology to accurately locate hidden leaks behind walls, under floors, and underground. Our certified experts provide fast, non-invasive repairs, ensuring minimal disruption to your home or business. As Edmonton's trusted plumbing professionals, we offer 24/7 emergency service, upfront pricing, and guaranteed results. For expert pipe leak detection and repair in Edmonton, call us now or book online today.